This is a get your paper and pen. This feels really good, by the way.
It
Get
really
your paper
does.
and pen episode out because you're going to want to take notes. We are delving into color. I don't know if you could tell by the way we're waving our color wheels around. we are we are digging into color today and how to mix and match color in your clothing and your makeup.
That's right, Lisa.
I
And we're
can't see you.
we're in a playful mood because
Yes.
color's very playful. We want you to experiment. We want you to play. We want you to build a cohesive wardrobe and a makeup drawer full of colors that play with each other, that play
Right.
well with each other.
Right. And I mentioned in the episode that I wanted to for you to see the makeup look that I did today, the eye makeup look. I did a
Yeah.
split complementary, which we're going to describe
Yeah.
eye makeup look with Blast and Blue, Charmer, oh my gosh, Honesty, Celestial I did. I did a lot of colors, but anyways, the
It looks great.
blue and the yellow, orange, and the orange is what I used today on my looks,
Yeah.
which is not a look I normally do, but it was really
No.
fun. I really enjoyed doing it, and it's just something different. I'll put
Super
the
cool.
colors below
Yeah.
too to show you what
Super
I did.
cool. And I'm showing an example. My outfit is actually a peach colored dress, which is like an of orange mixed with white,
Yellow, orange, yeah.
and blue. So orange and blue are complementary colors, and I think it's a stunning combination.
It's what I have on my eyes.
Yeah. Somehow, Lisa, you and I always sync up.
We were syncing
Really
up
kind of
without it
scary.
unintentionally.
Yeah.
We did it. So this is a super fun
Yeah.
episode and
Yeah.
really educational. But I really want you guys, I want you to take notes and I want you to play. And please
Yeah.
let us know. Take pictures of your experiments and send them to
Yeah.
us. Send us
Yeah.
questions if things come up. This is fun.
Yeah. Super cool.
Let's
But before we
oh,
start, Lisa, I wanted to ask all of our listeners a question. Are you an empty nester? Or are you newly retired? Or do you just need extra cash for vacations? Or just paying bills, even? Well, I love what I'm doing now. I'm actually teaching a master class that helps you learn how to help someone else turn their closet into cash and create the wardrobe of their dreams. So, if this is something, if you have a passion for fashion and this is something you're interested in, instead of becoming an Uber driver, why not dive into this? Become a stylist. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know and go to closetstocash.biz and learn something about this masterclass and see if you want to join me.
and we'll also link that in the show notes for you.
Sure will.
Let's dig into color.
Let's do it.